Gentlemen, this is Prostar Technical. We are making this video for awareness and also to have sense of belonging on how to rectify fault, how to troubleshoot on solar installation. So this installation will be done, but the client is complaining that it's not charging, and we have 24 volts battery here. This is 24 volts, 12 volts, 12, this 12 volts, 12 volts is connected in series to give you 24 volts. And this inverter is 1.5. This inverter is 1.5 kVA, 24 volts. Now we have the PWM charge controller. Uh, the issue that we have in this installation is issue of panel. So now we have 24 volts. I'm going to take readings so that you have sense of belonging what actually is the cause. This is my meter, is on DC auto, you can see. So I'm going to turn it off. Okay, I just want to turn it on. This meter is on it's on DC auto. So now you see my charge controller is right 24 volts, but it's not giving you the accurate reading. So now my positive, you can see the sign of this charge controller is showing you the solar panel symbol. So I'm putting it here, and this is my negative. So if you can take a look for my meters, what is it giving you? It's giving you DC voltage is giving you 21, 22. You can see now with this reading that is giving you from the solar panel, it is not possible for it to work. Because why? Calm down. Why? Because this battery is 24 volts, and what your solar panel is producing is giving you what your solar panel is producing from the charge controller is giving you 24 volts. 24 is greater than 22, so just know that. What is the cause? This client has 4 numbers of 300 watts, and he also have two pieces of 180 watts 12 volts, because he was using this offline inverter. We call it offline inverter. It's not pure sine wave inverter. So he decided to change to other inverter so that he can upgrade his inverter. But the person that came to do this job added the 180 watts to the four to the three, that is to the 4 numbers of the 300 watts. So now what the charge controller is seeing the 180 watts. So it's seeing the 12 volts. So you can use that 12. You cannot add that panel to 24 volts. So your charge controller will for sense. If for sense the sense is going to sense it. Even though you want to use it, even though if I told that you are going to use it, you have to connect that 24 volts in series first before you connect in parallel to those 300 to those 300 watt panel, so that all of them will be in 24 volts. 12, then you connect in series, is going to give you 24 volts, but it will still remain 180. It's not good, because your charge controller will be seeing 180 watts, then 24 volts. Is wrong. So it's good you always use the right panel for what you want to use. So don't mix. So now, and secondly, why it will not able to, or why it not work? Because this charge controller is PWM. So if it's let us assume it's a FPPT, you can connect in series and also have a higher voltage that can equally charge your battery faster. So we are going outside. I'm going to show you the panel. Our ladder is already outside. We are going to make the correction, and after that we are still coming back to put on that is to check this charging. You see that the charging point of this charge controller is static. The moment we cut it off, you see that it will start charging up, it start going up already. So I'm going to turn it off because we are going outside to cut off the 180 breaker. So now as I'm turning them off, you will see that you have turned to night. Come now, it shows that we have off the DC, the panel breaker. So we are going to pause this video so that we'll continue, so that we are going to give you this video. We are creating this video for every one of us, for the young ones, to also learn how to troubleshoot a solar installation job. subscribe to our page. It is absolutely free. We are doing this thing for the young ones. Kindly subscribe to this page and also encourage the young ones to subscribe to our page. So we are going outside to continue the troubleshooting. So thank you. Okay. Yeah, gentlemen, we have placed our ladder, and this is the gentleman who is going to rectify this problem. We have already discussed how the problem, so he's aware of the problem, so he's going to provide solution. So it's going up now. That is to rectify that problem. So what you need to do, you need to disengage the 12 volts panel. Is it clear? Yes, sir. Is it taking? So it's going up. That is to do that now. Please be careful. Know your point. Please, someone should help you to hold this, hold the ladder. Please hold it for me. Why are you not putting on your safety shoe? Hold the ladder for me, please. You can see this is the cause. This is the cause of the panel. You can see this reading is giving us over there 21, 22 volts. You can see, and this 190 watt panel is a 12 volts panel. So he mixed it with a 24 volts panel. So the charge controller is actually seeing this 12 volts panel before the 24 volts panel. So that is the problem. So after this, after bringing the second one down, we are going inside to actually check our battery is charging. Okay, so I'm keeping it here. So please take it gently. Just take it gently. Just take it, bring it back gently. So leave it, hold the ladder for him. Hold the ladder for him. These are the two. So they say similar problem. They say 190 watt solar panel, then 220 volts. So right now we are going inside with our multimeter. We are going inside with our multimeter to actually carry out our test back. So please let's go inside and see the performance of our battery. Yeah, we are back inside. You can see it's very, very, very fantastic. The problem will be solved. Now from 2 bar, I've actually jumped to 3 bar. You can see. So right now I'm going to take the reading of this panel. I'm going to take the reading. So I'm going to take the DC reading, the DC voltage. So I'm on DC. So I'm taking the DC voltage. You can see. Wow, it's giving me from the controller. It's giving me 27 volts. So you can see 27 is greater than 20. Is greater than 24. So 27 can charge the voltage. It's okay. So I can equally read the ampage that is generating. I'm clamping it. It's giving me 18 amps. So it can help to charge this battery. This is giving me 80 amps. So thank you for watching this video. So I'm going to turn on the system. I'm going to turn on the inverter system. So it's still going to remain where it is. So this is it. So you can see. So it shows that it's charging. Before it just drained to 12.1. It's giving you 20, 22, 24. So right now let's check the battery volts. So wow, this is perfect. So it's working. Please kindly share this video and subscribe to our page. So maybe we have 1 or 2 person who have similar problems, so you will know how to solve it. Thank you for watching this video. Good.